You're back with Bobby and JJ Radio. If you're just joining us, I'm Sarah, your host, and today we're talking to Matt Mazzacco and Fred Camarillo. Now, guys, I know you have a really exciting program called the Business Professional Loan Program, and I'd love to know more about that. What can you tell me?
Well, so the Business Professional Loan Program is going to be a loan program that is going to help out people that are in industries that require going to like an accredited school or going to college to get into. An example would be doctors, lawyers, nurses. Where this is going to differ from a regular loan is typically when we're going to originate a mortgage loan, we need to have a 2-year employment history. And for our doctors, for our lawyers, for our nurses, they just spent the last couple of years in school getting their degree or their diploma or their certification. So they're probably not going to have a very strong income background as far as employment is concerned. It might be some part-time work or something, but it's not going to be the full 2-year history. What this program does is it actually allows us to go back in and use their time in school as what's called continuance of income or an employment continuance. So we'll look at their school transcripts. We'll see that they went to school for a specific profession, such as, an example, like a nurse. She just got out of nursing school. We'll take her school transcripts and we'll use that as her employment.
So tell us some of the basic qualifications that they need for this loan.
Honestly, the qualifications are the same as any other mortgage loan. The only nuance that's different about this is the 2-year history of employment is no longer required because we're using their education as a filler.
If you don't happen to fit the mold for that, though, with the schooling and everything, I heard that you offer a jumbo loan. So, Fred, can you tell us about what the jumbo loan is?
Absolutely. So the jumbo loan is obviously a non-conforming product. Conforming guidelines are 0 to $417,000. Once you reach the $417,000 loan limit, it's considered non-conforming. Non-conforming, we go all the way up to $3 million. So if you want to buy, above $417 to $3 million, you can certainly do that. We have the loan requirements for a loan like that. They require a 680 credit score, and we would need at least 15% down.
In a jumbo loan, do you get a higher interest rate, or do you get penalized for getting over that dollar amount?
Actually, we have a group of investors that actually prefer to buy these loans, and they actually have very attractive rates. So the myth that because you're buying $1 million house, your interest rate is going to be crazy is not the case.
So let's just, I don't want to throw out numbers. Let's say I can get an FHA or conventional at 4% right now, just to throw out a number, 4%. What would be a jumbo?
Very, very close to that.
Wow.